Hello mga classmates! So today's lesson will be all about how to solve the nature of roots of our quadratic equation. Now, sa atong quadratic equation, pwede nato siya ma-solve into four ways. Pwede factoring, extracting the roots, completing the square, or quadratic formula. Now, sa upat ani, it's either naatay isa ka buok answer, duha ka buok answer, or wala gyud tay answer because the answer is imaginary. Now, mo ni ang trabaho karon sa tuang discriminant formula. Siya ang mag-decide or siya ang mo-check kung naabagi answer ang atuang isa ka quadratic equation. So naani upat ka cases. So ang first one na atong i-discuss is kung ang atong discriminant formula na b squared minus 4ac equal to 0. So by the way, kani ang discriminant formula b squared minus 4ac. Now, pag equal daw ni siya sa 0, pasabot ang atong answer is a real number equal pasabot isa lang kabuok and a rational numbers. So example, x squared plus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. So since naka-standard form ni, i-identify lang nato kinsa atong A, B, and C. So ang atong A will be 1, ang atong B is 6, and atong C is equal to 9. Pagkahuman nato identify, i-substitute nato ang value sa formula na B squared minus 4AC. So may tabo, 6 squared minus 4, tapos ang A mahimong 1, ang C mahimong 9, based sa to ang substitution. Pagkaman, isolve lang nato. So 6 times 6, that is 36. Then 4 times 1 times 9, that is also 36. Then we copy equal to 0. Now, 36 minus 36, di ba 0 man ang answer? So 0 is equal to 0. So therefore, that is yes. So ibig sabihin, ang atong answer kay real, tapos isa lang, o rational. So mo bitaw, kung imo ning gamitan og factoring, kay ma-factor man ni, ang roots nato or ang solution is just equal to negative 3. Now, pag unsaon pag-factor, na ako'y previous video ana sa lesson number sa week 2 sa tuang lesson. So, ang ikaduha na case will be if kung ang discriminant nato is greater than 0, tapos perfect square. So, ang gina-expect mo na answer sa imuhang quadratic equation is real, distinct, and rational. So, let's have our second example. So, x squared minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Since standard form na siya, i-identify na nato diretso ang ato ang a, b, and c. So, which is 1, negative 2, and negative 8. So, ang step 2 nato is we substitute the value sa tuang formula. So, from b squared minus 4ac, ang atong answer sa discriminant must be greater than 0. So, negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 8 is greater than 0. So, negative 2 times negative 2, that's 4. Then, multiply everything, that is 32. Tapos, i-add mo 4 plus 32, the answer is 36. Now, is 36 greater than 0? Ang answer kay yes. Then, ang second ingon is dapat perfect square. Is 36 a perfect square? The answer is also yes, because 6 times 6 is 36. Now, pag i-ani na ang imuhang discriminant karon, mag-expect jud ka na imuhang quadratic equation kay duha ka buok imuhang answer na managlahi. Mao bitaw pag imo ni siyang i-factor ug imong kuhaon ang roots or ang solution, ang answer kay 4 ug negative 2. So ang atong ikatulong scenario will be like this. Kung greater than 0 and not a perfect square. So ang imo yung answer na i-expect sa imong quadratic equation will be real, distinct, ug karon irrational na siya. So an example is 2x squared plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. So again, identify the value of your a, b, and c. Tapos kung identify na ninyo, i-substitute sa formula. Tapos, inganion, so mahitabo 4 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 5. So, dapat ang answer ani mas dako siya sa 0. So, 4 times 4, 16. Then, i-multiply ni nimong tulo since negative, negative, mahimong positive. Then, multiply tanan, 40. So 56 is greater than 0. Ang answer kay yes. Ang sunod question is 56 not a perfect square? The answer is also yes. So karon ang imong answer na imong kailangan i-expect sa imong 2x squared plus 4x minus 5 is negative 2 plus square root of 14 over 2 o negative 2 minus square root of 14 over 2, which is also irrational, distinct, and are real numbers. So the fourth scenario will be like this. So kung ang imong discriminant is less than 0, so mag-expected ka na ang imong roots sa imong quadratic equation are not real or imaginary. So mao na pag pislito nimo sa imong calcio, usahay mo mugawas kay math error. So mao na pasabot sa imaginary or not real. So example sa ato ang case number 4 will be 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So, identify our value for our A, B, and C. Pag na-identify na, i-substitute nato sa tuang equation na b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. So, negative 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times 7. So, kanina siya, dapat less than 0 daw ni siya. So, negative 3 times negative 3, that is 9. Then, 4 times 2 times 7, that's 56. And since negative lang man isa, so negative 56. So 9 minus 56 is negative 47. Is negative 47 less than 0? The answer is yes. So pag ang mahitabo, pag solve pa lang niyo sa discriminant, automatic, no need to find the factor kasi the roots will be imaginary or not real. So again, to review, we have 4 cases of our discriminant formula. So again, ang discriminant ginagamit para ma-check kung pila kabuk ato ang answer sa atong quadratic equation or kung naabagyo siya answer. So ang una is when our discriminant is equal to 0. Ikaduha is when it's greater than 0 and a perfect square. Ang ikatulo, greater than 0 and not a perfect square. And ang ikaupat is less than 0. So I hope you learned something today on how to find the nature of roots of our quadratic equation. So daghan salamat sa papaminaw ug ayaw kalimot mag-subscribe ug hit the notification bell. Tapos pwede po dinyo i-like ug i-share ang video, and also please leave a comment and suggestion para mas ma-improve pa nato ang ato ang lesson and discussion sa mathematics. So daghang salamat ug maayong adlaw sa tanan.